Hey everyone, my name is Mika and welcome to my life in Mini. So isa sa mga challenges ko working from home and yung paggawa nga nito ng mga videos is yung background noise. Like yung naririnig nyo ngayon. Yeah, kasi I live beside a busy street and then there's now a gasoline station beside me. So, or beside my apartment. Kaya medyo nagiging super loud talaga na mas malakas pa minsan yung tunog ng audio sa labas kumpara sa boses ko. And this is also the same at night kung kailan nag-work ako. May mga dumadaang truck na medyo mabilis or maingay and dinig na dinig sila during my meetings. Kaya naghahanap talaga ako ng way to remove those. Okay, and this is something that I found. It is the Asus AI noise cancelling mic adapter. I heard about this through a review na napanood ko dun sa YouTube, so naisip ko, why not try it? Luckily, I found one sa Villman, dun sa online store nila sa Shopee. I got this for 1,700 plus. I will give you the exact amount sa description box below. Alright, so let's get into this review. Okay, so it comes with this box. So, nailabas ko na siya actually kasi this is already a retake. I realized na the audio that was recorded yesterday, I was using the Huawei P40 Pro since audio din naman yung pinag-usapan natin. Kahapon, nag-video ako using the Huawei P40 Pro and I was using the Huawei FreeBuds 3 that I cannot find at this time. Okay, ito. I was using this. I got this for free. I don't know, is it really free? Ayun. So I got this when I recontracted. So I used it. I was actually using it simula pa nung gumawa ko ng review ng Huawei P40 Pro. And all this time, akala ko yung audio na naririnig ko or nare-record dun sa video ko came from the FreeBuds 3. Kasi every time nagre-review ako or nung ginagawa ko yung video, nung pinoprocess ko na siya, ginagamit ko to. So, dito ko pinapakinggan yung audio. Sabi ko, okay yung audio. Akala ko galing dito, but then I realized kanina lang when I was doing the edit para sa video na ilalabas ko today na the audio was really just coming from the phone. I mean, from the internal microphone ng Huawei P40 Pro. And yung microphone kasi ng P40 Pro, it's okay kung malapitan. Pero kung halimbawa malayo, like yung setup ko dun sa na ginawa ko kahapon, which is medyo more than arm's length yung layo, tapos yung boses ko was mahina lang kahapon, thinking nga na kasi meron akong microphone na malapit naman sa bibig ko, hindi siya halos marinig, as in masyado siyang mahina, kaya yun, I don't know, this doesn't work. Akala ko nung una baka sira siya, so I tried using it sa iPad ko. Sa iPad ko, it works. It sounds really, really bad. Siguro kasi wala namang Huawei app dun sa iPad. Pero, at least it works. Nag-work yung mic. As in, dinig mo siya, naririnig mo na parang meron ding noise cancelling. Alam mo, hindi mo naririnig masyado yung background noise. Pero yeah, pagdating dun sa Huawei phone, kung saan ko siya ini-expect na mag-work, hindi siya nag-work. Not sure kung hindi na siya compatible sa 40. I haven't tried it with the P10, pero yeah, very disappointed on this one. Kaya ayun, so let's proceed with this. So yun na nga, I already opened it. Inside, ang laman lang niya is yung yung sticker. This also has yung warranty card. Medyo makapal siya kasi it's translated in different languages. So, bongga. And then, this one naman is yung parang instructions lang. Hindi niyo siya actually kailangan ng basahin kasi simple lang naman siya. And then, the rest of the packaging is eto na lang, which holds the mic adapter. And etong adapter naman, if in case you want to use this sa laptop nyo. Okay. So, yeah, I think the best way for us to figure out if this thing works or not is by testing it out. So let me just switch the audio over. Hindi stop yung recording. Okay, so right now what you are listening to is the audio that's coming from the internal microphone ng Huawei P10. Yeah, Huawei P10 Lite. And then, let's see, how can I do this? Okay. Alright, and then, wait lang. Before I connect that, okay, so ito. Ngayon naman, the audio is coming from the Boya BYM1. Okay, so this audio naman is now from the Huawei P40 Pro's internal microphone. I decided to switch phones. Kaya kanina sabi ko I won't do that kasi masyado nang umiinit yung P10 Lite. May tendency kasi yung pag nag-overheat na siya, nagka-flash. So, baka magbura lang ulit na nagawa ko. So, I decided to switch over to the P40 Pro. So, right now, nakakabit na yung adapter. Pero since hindi pa nakakabit yung lav mic, ang naririnig nyo ngayon is yung internal microphone ng P40 Pro. So, ikakabit ko na itong boy. Okay. So, what you guys are listening to ngayon is the sound coming from the Boya lab mic na nakakonect dun sa Asus AI noise cancelling mic adapter. Alright, so yeah, since this is already a retake, I already know that this will cancel yung background noise. And yeah, it's from experience ko yesterday, it was really good. But there's one more thing that I wanted to test. Okay, so this is another test using the Boya Lab mic and the Asus AI noise cancelling mic adapter. Because I heard from, there was this review that I found on this in YouTube, and sabi nila, it can remove the background noise, but if there's somebody talking behind you or somebody talking in the background, makukuha, mapipick up pa rin siya. Right now, the gasoline station beside my apartment, they are playing parang super loud music. So, iniisip ko lang, since boses din naman yun, di ba? Yung kumakanta. I'm just curious kung mapipick up siya. Sana hindi. Okay, so it works. Pati yung song, nabura niya. And actually, alam nyo ngayon, I know wala kayong naririnig. Like, everything is quiet. Boses ko lang narinig ko. Naririnig nyo, pero ngayon, umuulan sa labas. Tapos, ang daming sasakyan na dumadaan. So, dinig na dinig mo yung nagsisplash na water. Tapos, yung pusa dito sa bus, scratch and scratching pad niya. Pero alam mo yun, I'm sure, hindi ko pa naririnig, obviously, tong sound dito sa video na to, pero I'm really sure na everything is clean. Well, kasi nga may advantage ako na nagawa ko na yung similar to this yesterday. Yun. So, if you guys are looking for something or a solution, para sa work nyo, kasi nga, like, halimbawa, katulad ko kayo na marami kayong meetings, or, halimbawa, yung work nyo naman is client-facing, so, parati kayong nasa phone, and you're still working from your house or from your apartment, this will help you out a lot. And, para din naman sa mga gumagawa ng videos, or siguro yung mga gumagawa ng mga voiceovers, and yung bahay nyo is near a busy street, or siguro a commercial area, yeah, this will work for you too. Yung napansin ko nga lang is yung compression. Yung sound ng boses isn't that natural, pero okay lang yun. I mean, with everything that it's able to do or everything that it's able to cancel out, ako hindi na ako masyadong magre-reklamo. So, yung price niya, again, it's 1,700 plus. I will give you guys hi pusa the exact amount dun sa description below. And yeah, I mean it's a bit pricey, pero it works naman. So yun na lang, I hope that it lasts long para sobrang masulit ko naman yung 1.7. I'm sure masusulit siya. Actually ngayon, alam mo yun, parang feeling ko sulit na ako. Natanggal niya tong lahat ng ingay dito sa palibot ko ngayon. Yun, so yeah, I'm really happy about this. So if you guys are interested in getting, it's available in Villman. They have a store sa Shopee. You can get it there. And yeah, if you like this video, I hope that you click on, sorry, I hope that you click on the like button below and consider subscribing to my channel. And I will see you all again soon. Please stay safe and stay happy. Bye. Oo na. Oh, hi ka. Ayun.